our semester comes to a close, there will be a whole new group of students entering college as freshmen. If you're a high school senior looking forward to college dorm life, there are some fundamentals you should know before heading towards your new campus. Here are 5 tips to help you survive your first year in college. Number 1, learn how to do your laundry. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time in your life when you can't rely on mom to help you. First things first, make sure to do your laundry weekly. So pick a day to dedicate washing and drying your clothes because that dirty laundry will build up. And don't forget to fold it and put it away right away because you'll leave it in that laundry basket for weeks at a time if you don't. Number 2, have healthy habits. Mom and dad aren't going to be here to tell you how to live, so time to figure it out. First things first, clean your room. Junk will start piling up if you don't clean it, and then anxiety will slowly creep up on you. Make sure to make your bed every morning and pick up the room a bit to get your day started. Plus, no one wants to live in a pigsty. A healthy space equals a healthy mind. Also, don't forget to eat healthy and head to the gym regularly. Put down those chips and pick up an apple, because the freshman 15 isn't a myth. Number 3, go to sleep at a decent time. You may think that now would be the best time to stay up and party with new friends, but no sleep will lead to nothing but negativity. Go to sleep by a decent time so you can actually get up in the morning and be a functional human being. On another note, the snooze button is not your friend. You'll hit it too many times and realize you're running late for class. Make sure to wake up early enough to give yourself time to get ready and eat something so you're not dying in class. Number 4, learn to study. You may think you have good study habits that you developed in high school, but college is a whole other ballgame. Pay attention in class and take good notes. Make sure to set aside time every day to study for your classes because no one likes scrambling the night before for a big exam. Also, map out your assignments and exams on your calendar. It will keep you organized and relaxed since you'll know when everything is due. Number 5, have healthy relationships with people. It's a new time in your life, and that means new friends. Pick your friends wisely and don't rely on them too much. This time is for you to become more of an individual and grow as a person. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. But it's important to remember that having a small, close-knit group of people that you trust and respect is better than a huge group where no one can keep tabs on each other. Remember that college is a new and exciting time in your life, so you need to take care of yourselves. Have fun and be safe.